Alrighty, folks, we got the boys from Convoy Home Loans, and if you're not following them on Instagram, you really should. They put out a video the other day or a post that I was like, dude, I need to hear more about this. So Dustin and Jonathan, tell us about Bridge to Sale, because that is a lending program I had not heard about. What is it? When is it useful? Talk to me.
Yeah, so I mean, basically, it's just a bridge loan, but we kind of coined it as bridge to sale because the clients that are using it that we found are clients that are trying to sell their property because they finished a flip, or they are transitioning out of a type of property that they wanted to get rid of, and it's listed on the market, but it hasn't sold yet. So
Okay.
those clients right now that basically have to sell or want to sell, they have that equity in there that they can't tap in to continue their investments. So what this program allows them to do, and why we coined it as bridge to sale, is because it allows them to basically bridge that gap till they sell the house. So it ends up being like a 12-month loan. But the good part about this is they can get up to 75% loan to value on the house that they are selling with no prepayment penalty. So it gives them 75% LTV equity cashed out so that they can go ahead and continue to do what they want to do, whether it's getting that money and reinvesting into something else, getting that money and continuing to do rehab on something else, or just getting that money and kind of having it in their pocket because they need something to help build up their reserves as they go get ready to sell the property. Because while it's selling the property, you're still having to make the payments on that property that's selling. You're still having to pay the contractor, whoever is working on that property. So this allows you to kind of wrap all that together and give you that kind of breathing room to make sure that the steps are back to back to back without having to really miss a step.
Yeah, I got to tell you, when you guys posted this, I was a little, I was shocked that this was actually up to 75%, LTV. I think that's aggressive, because again, right, our greatest fear, having lived through the last crisis, is you end up selling it for, something less than that, which means you would have to bring money to the table. So 75% is pretty aggressive. But it makes total sense, right? I think there's a lot of flippers, and I'll just use those, right? They get into a property, they got, hard money costs that are, chewing on their leg every month. They also have to keep the teams busy. Days on market are expanding, right? They've gone from, 13 to 30 or whatever it is. There's some people that are, they don't have the cash. And if you turn off the cash in the flipping business, your oxygen turns off and you're done, right? So makes total sense why people would look at this.
Yeah, no, we've been doing it for a while. It's nothing new, and a lot of lenders are doing it. They just haven't, maybe a lot of clients haven't realized that you can do a bridge on an existing property that you own, right? A lot of people think bridges are just to acquire and rehab and build and get out. But something we actually on this bridge to sale, which is an exciting new product or a variant of this, is we have a departing residence type bridge where essentially you can get a 12-month bridge, same LTV, but there's no monthly payment. Okay. So it's a 12-month bridge with no monthly payment.
So you just bake that into the
exact same
loan.
thing that John alluded to, with being able to continue your investing in projects onto another project, right? But having no payment for 12 months on this bridge is a new caveat that we rolled out this week as well.
Wow. Yeah, this is why you got to work with professionals like Convoy Home Loans. As you've seen, they have their own playlists on this channel. They keep rolling out new and new products to meet the needs. Yeah, I'm still flabbergasted, Dustin, at our first video where we're going to unlock 4 million buyers into this market. That's one still got me flexed a little bit. Jonathan, did you hear some of that math? I know you were brought in a little bit late.
I totally missed that math, but I know, I mean, we've chatted about it before. It's kind of crazy the way that they're going about this, but I mean, it's good for us, right?
Yeah, there's gonna be
bad for other people that are trying to buy, because prices probably are gonna go up again.
Yeah, so let me just share the math that Dustin did in his head. $100 billion, 25,000 max. That will unlock 4 million first generational home buyers, which, oh, by the way, in a market with 500,000 available homes, again, that's high. I just use it for easy math. You're going to see prices explode, and you're going to see a lot of people get mortgage loans. So If somebody wanted to get in line first, like the California Dream, how would they reach out to you guys?
Go to convoyhomeloans.com and let us know you came from ORAD.
Very cool, man. Thanks again.
Thank you.